Tuesday ka?
Kulit auntie yan. Pupo ka?
No. No, Popo. Andy. Popo, Andy.
No, pupo. Amoy na amoy dito.
Ano nga yung ano nga gulo?
Ganyan kalaki yan. Makakala niyo maliit yan.
Laki naman yan. Kaya,
Sabing gutom ni Papa.
ano lang yan? Ano magkano? 195. Laki, grabe. Play ka na doon, play. Play na, ate, oh.
Where's the color yellow? Good job, Ate. Sammy, where's the color red? That's the color red. Red. What color is that? Blue. Good job.
Andy! Uy, ang taas na niyan. Lola, si Andy, oh. Sa loob na naman ng ref.
Ay, asa na ba yung belt mo?
Na. Yan na.
Spam na naman yan.
Na, palo na yan.
Ano na talaga yan?
Tulog din tong mga to.
Dan 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 dan. Oh, dali. Dan 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 dan. Oh, nasa ka na? Kukunin.
Tapos na. Si Andy na lang, si Andy.
Ay. Ikaw din, conscious.
Corazon. Maria Corazon, where are you? Could you please stand? Thank you for being with us. Okay? And then, of course, we thank God for this family coming from our daughter church in Milan, Italy. They just celebrated their anniversary. Was it 7? Church anniversary property. No? And we are likewise helping them. No? Kahit sabihin mo, euro sila, tayo peso, pwede pa rin tayong tumulong. Okay? And thank God for Brother Isagani, Deacon niya eh. Deacon Isagani Calosa and Sister Irene. And could you please stand? Matthew Calosa. No? Lahat yan nasa Milan, Italy. And thank God for this family. They are very supportive and doing something together in reaching not only our children's life, but also our Julia, Samaria, and other parts of the earth. So, Patricia Pangila. Patricia.